G'day, my name is Sean, and today I'm going to show you how Chapter 2 of the Mad Quilt Party by Art East Quilting Co comes together. I'm going to make the white rabbit block today. Come see how it all comes together, and I'll show you the final result in just a few moments. I hope you enjoyed seeing the time lapse come together. I had a lot of fun putting this block together, but let's take a look at the final block. And this is him here. And I think it turned out really cute. I think the white tulle fabric turned out really nice. I love his little coat, his tie, and so forth. And the nose, I was not 100% sure of at the beginning. I thought about changing it out. But when I looked at the Disney movie that we all know and love, the color of his nose is about this, so I decided to keep that, and I think it looks really cool. So I'm glad I didn't change that one up. So this is the white rabbit. I hope you enjoyed this. There is a timepiece block as well for this, but I'm going to show that in a separate video. I thought it'd be fun to divide those up, because otherwise it just makes the video way too long, in my opinion. But I hope you did enjoy seeing the white rabbit come together. You know, he's late, always very late. If you did enjoy the video, please hit that like button, leave a comment. I always love hearing from my viewers, and we'll see you all in the next video. Happy sewing!